material nouns. Material nouns are names of materials or substances out of which things are made. Example: wood, silver, gold, iron, etc. Names given to the raw elements or objects which exist as natural or man-made is called material nouns. There are four primary sources of raw material which come under material nouns: plants, animals, nature, or man-made. I have few examples to share with you. Wood, oil, jute, tea, rubber, honey, egg, milk, silk, wood, iron, gold, silver, water, air, cloth, cheese, brick, acid, etc. Material nouns are mostly common. Uncountable nouns are common nouns. Articles a and the do not come in uncountable material nouns. Articles a and the always come in countable material nouns. Example: a gold ring. Gold here is a material noun, but we cannot say gold ring. But we can say milk, honey. We do not say a milk, a honey, and milk, etc. So I add a and it becomes a gold ring. I have another example for you: a cloth piece. Material nouns mostly cannot be pluralized. They always be in singular forms. Example: milk, honey, etc. Material nouns never denote people or places, but only things.